Here's another purchase from the Cabin Fever weekend. This is a Robinson hot air engine built from castings. I believe it's a half scale. I've seen the original and it's a huge thing. This one's very well made, runs beautifully, and as you can see, it's even capable of doing a little work running this old sewing machine. We'll come around here, get another view. Always wanted one of these, thought about building one, but by the time you buy the casting kit and do all the work, when you find one in this nice a shape that you know works well, I just decided I would buy this one, and I have lots of other engines to build, so anyways, there we are. I'll find a nice accessory for this to run that shows. Maybe a little jigsaw. I have a table saw. Little water pumps. There's all kinds of accessories. But this is not a model sewing machine. That's a real old treadle sewing machine. And there we have it. Thanks for watching.